Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. In this uh, presentation, we shall discuss a slide, uh, and its topic is towards exploring few mathematical facts. Exploring few mathematical facts of Surah Al-Kawthar, the smallest chapter of the Holy Qur'an, and this is actually part 1. Uh, if we recite the Surah Al-Kawthar, we get Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna a'atainaka al-Kawthar fasalli li rabbika wanhar inna shani'aka huwal abtar. This table actually shows the abjad values of the 28 alphabets of Arabic language, and these process or values are well known and is practiced from the past also. If we just put the values of the alphabets of the first ayat of Surah Kawthar, we get the table shown at left. The first ayat is Inna a'atainaka al-Kawthar. The first harf of the first ayat is Alif, and the abjad value of Alif is actually 1, and it is actually got from this table that means the table shown in the previous slide. The abjad second harf is actually noon, so the abjad value of noon is actually 50, and this 50 is actually placed here. And likewise, in a'tainaka al-kawthar, all the harfs are placed here, and the corresponding abjad values are also shown here. And it is seen that the digit sum of the abjad values of the first ayat is 969. That means 969. If we do the same calculation for the second ayat, that means Faswali li rabbika wanhar, we get the table shown at the left. For example, Fa, the alphabet Fa, the digit sum, the abjad value is actually 80. So 80 is placed here for Fa. And the last harf is actually Ra. Ra means 200. The abjad value is 200. So this is also placed here. And like the previous slide, we have just sum up all the numerical values, and we get the digit sum 717. And this process is continued for the third ayat also. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. And for example, the third harf is actually shin. The abjad value of shin is actually 300, and this is put here. And likewise, other harfs are also treated in the same manner, and the digit sum is actually 168. So, in a nutshell, the abjad value, or sum of the abjad value of the first ayat is 969, second ayat is 717, and third ayat is 1068. So, if we go to the results section, we find that Surah Al-Kawthar has 3 ayats. Digit sum of first ayat is 969, which is also divisible by the number 3. Digit sum of the second ayat is 717. This is also divisible by 3. Digit sum of third ayat is 601068, and this is also divisible by 3. Digit sum of the first 2 ayats are 1686, and this is also divisible by 3. Digit sum of the second and third ayats are 1785, and this is also divisible by 3. And digit sum of the first and third ayat is also divisible by 3. So much similarity, subhanallah. Digit sum of the abjad values of the all three ayats are also divisible by 3. If we go for the multiplication, we give of these three numbers, we get a big number, and this is also divisible by 3. If we concentrate on the subtraction values of the corresponding values, this is sum, we get we see that all the numbers are also divisible by 3. Now, if we go for the ratio of the corresponding ayats, okay, that means ratio of the digit sum of the values of the corresponding ayats, and if we sum these all three entities, we have the number actually very close to the constant pi. So we see that lots of similarity and a mathematical pattern actually governs here, and so much similarity. Subhanallah. That's all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.